for me mamunyina akwaba bia ya senhia de di ka me da munyina ase we de a simple recipe wo hwe manim ha ekoyi so ho enti so person who send am ye na gi akonwa no ye di kan aye live streaming e wo OMB Spice Kitchen a me kire sene obeye odo ti gi akonwa no na me kire sene obeye no brodwe ubenya brodwe e kama se anu obusia for me chan ye to aso. Enti niama no se nem kan na simple. Niama o ha se ye sichire no message. And na we say a cocoa extract and so ni. And na we a nutmeg ye be use half. And na we a 1 tablespoon of margarine so bet me use butter e be ko ye sa enti ano ma melt it. Na wo susu in grams 30 grams. And na the yeast ni no so message. And na we skimmed milk. Skimmed milk no 150 ml. Esan say ye be cocoa powder di enti no. Wo hie no so na ma wo do ni dry. And now when you have bread flour, 250 grams, 2 cups, so a leveled cup, you know. But more than say we use in cup now, on share kitty baby to say yeah. And now we so I am cocoa powder, and we say be use 2 tablespoons. Tiji akonyano, na make cambo man simple. And they say the more has say a quarter teaspoon of salt. Oh yes, some idea now the yeast eba ma won chain and kwasi. Nienti am ye ne sa ye yeast ne ka enchain direct na ema into aminti na me ne sa. Nti say now the way some 2 cups na dey go. We dey go mo wi a so an cocoa powder but more than say we be losing the up kakra. So into 1 tablespoon ye na dey go so. And 2 in it so and 1 na we. Into nutmeg no afi na wo twi be half peg so I say ya na afi waka ni nyina afra na wasome so to ande bia ye ni say ya so na e kama to ye ni say we are so no aka ni nyina afra say ya into yeast no so I say we ya instant yeast afa na me fa 1 teaspoon na de aka ti bo modian say o measurement no e be accurate ama na ama obrodo no aye kama no aka ni nyina afra na me say bread swirl we cool ye so wa uchana nya cocoa drink bi mo amosi so bolo no so ebe ko yo I wish for enti message chire no me fa 2 tablespoons amini kamire ye fio enti bo mo dey answer over here say bibia wo ye no what take your list ni na ti asichire na ade aka e no dey won so ne so obetimi aso ne so ba ye hu yi why ni say na fi wapia we esinche se say di oba abaye ni cocoa extract no so na wafa 1 teaspoon na de aka na waken kama e ma ni ye hwam nti wa we use cocoa extract and try bi na afi o kan ni na afra wi na we biem kakrasi na fi o milk na e lukewarm so I don't sashe mo enhye eti sade wo de nsuo dware akola wo ma ne ye hia ebekum yeast ti menya ne sa na afi o 30 grams butter na ye 1 tablespoon na nsu ni na wa hwie kum ti ni nyina no ye warm enye hot bo modina ntu ye ni say afi na chese wo kan afra ti wa o turn up in class e wo live streaming ni de Once I church and your ma be brave, Montino, wow, I saw our video near the link in a better Asiama. And I'm sick cocoa powder. A high sham, send him a canon. To say now was so doing yes, well. To my room in Sakama, so I say. Na fe na ode wonsa ebeye na menchira one technique we see nchen a worktop ni so na e clean ente say dem o ha ya nwa so ahu we emfa flour enye ntino ane say ode afefa worktop no so say ya na use we did entina me use ba fa onsa na afi we use flour na to hono na afi na wo ba abeka afra so ahu Odon Sam, say ya. Ntia mwana ntia manesteki. Na sani ya mechire no. Adia baako aboa ye obeye ne se no ha ho. Fa bobo ho no. So amu ye ne se ye ntemma. Ti mama nyanchira wa mu so mu say ya o de ba form na wa kan ahye so wa say ya so say do no e stretchy ba open smooth until worked up ne so ya dry na de anwa no e bia fefa so to yen say na wo dey activate yeast no anu nti na wo say wo dey pempem ho na nye machine to nsa na so wa ti say na do na ye say ni ai kama so Odon sa emia so na bounce back na chesa ye perfect tino me fabula ba chayo nti we me de me angwa ni bia na me de fifa bowl ni yeni see na enkekem uwia na de bia fifa so se be ye tu enkeka so na dia tu na do cleanse ma to so say ya ti afi na me be ye plain one so and Jaffy aba makes it the other half na a plain one. And to make some no 250 grams, 2 cups, and a cichile, befa 1 tablespoon. And I weigh say a cocoa extract, and also near befa 1 teaspoon. And I'm a nutmeg and a battery half an canini. And I weigh no milk no 125 ml the patcho, and for 150. Dear me use 150 year cocoa powder, then into weigh 125 ml in me. And I weigh so I 1 tablespoon of butter and I say margarine, my melty and the was say, Upa so soon or grams more 30 grams. And I weigh me yeast, mefa 1 teaspoon, into a simple cry. Gia conyano na min chama, never quay. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt, fego as CSR. Tia the same process near and I feel the flour no. Now if you were to nutmeg so now if you was on this one come on to answer us on this one now my flour ni na put ne woman ni na I feel I'm giving yeast Into yeast no a dry active yeast, so for 1 teaspoon na the account. And the kitchen 1 tablespoon na me dey egu mo. So ti bomode ase won push me nkododos. Into dry ingredient ni na kafra at the same time. Now the wet one and so I at the same time. Now feel the cinching. Into cocoa extract no wa share 1 teaspoon at the account. Come and try that bomode. Makanina friend me milk no lukewarm send ya me canon. And my name yes yes I be kum yeast. Say na yes well. Na ma roman san so kama. Na fi why ni say. The worktop no hese so na ye clean. Na fi wa fangwa. So no why ni say ya. Na we some rounds and ye mre kama. To na fi o kan ehye. Kakra bi na me ya chonti bomode ase try recipe ekoyi. Isane technique na ma kire mo no. What the pimpim ho na ayentem. Once say rough so to ya mani na smooth and silky. Ya na so ya dry na de anwani bi afas so ya ni si anu akamba say so to me don sa ayi mama na ya ni say ya bi tan for esa ni aye umi apene bounce back na chese sam bi ya e ka so to say yeah, fine. I cut us. If I see maybe I one place be an double in size, not just no one. Me see we two at me and my baby actually. As I say, me love tea, so if I love tea be up and I'm the butter kitu be so I'm a kitu even I'm there. And to my second batch in here, so na wash but two bulos were my name so until answer we na so nem papa because en two bulos no enu to ye ni say na we ya to go say ya come and say no be yin frama na wo benye bebre into fa rolling pin no why ni say ya kakra bi so as all the conchenchen say be fiti brodo chensen na kakra bi we ni say ya na afi wa mo chocolate one and also be na mo ye ni say we ni say ya na afi odi atoso see so the to say ya say be a roll ya e be easy akakra nti no don sa no odi ye ni say ya kakra afi no afa rolling pin na chese say ya so kakra ti emfa pressure be brain to so on se me this wa gra keke say ya kakra bi ti hwe chance a wo de ton eno ho na wo de beye so me ko say na ye so say ya ti afi no upeja no aka to so say so na don sa na mi aso kakra no san pagya abem see na don san emi at work so no asa bu atu be miensa hwe aye kama say de oye ne say wo don san emi ahye no sealing ntiwa yeni si na fe wadane no na de aturo si so wa kan shim see ya wash brodo na no hu aya kono se brodo ni senuro o senuro original kwa na be kan say e wo do kwan so say ni ai kam ti no afa cake tin no apija no brew we no yo hima ti misero treat you know, with love, special care. So, say wafa claim film. Nadia to so name where money nye tight baby. Now I am say. Timidi ko si ho na etu. I was here for and your brother need to coming, so one so be for claim from the freeze. And tell me oven and so my soda to 170. Minya de koshemo pe na me reducing about 160. So now shame for between 30 to 35 minutes. Obia oven a different temperature. Ya no ama weni akọ mama. Now they same me try be at my baby if you watch. I was here for brodo na ye kama yo so what no yo sani I come ti ma menchira de me ton earlier na so sani eti ya was here for one brodo no me ye o live streaming ne mu ni enti de enti a me ye foforo na mpese oni se what do we sam ni si ho na se etu a wa ho bia bibi ntu refia ya so no na enye fekeke ba hu se we no on se emu expand dem o na we so ayi okay ba wa ho asoro no e smooth ma e kenti difference ni ba ni na e bu krona measurement krona nti na wo so share so ati ase ti me ba betwa de emu adwi bi actually na bo sia for ti afe ni ye betwa brodo yi Chayo Tiki Rodun, why is so cool? Why that's so cool? Nala Uncle Samuel, you that's on a tree back. She I come. I was here for wash and every day. No wash. I was here for into wash your broody. Sunny, I come and say, but what they are so bad. So now, so when did you get me don't forget to like the video. Now, Mama, who said when did you? So I said every video this I name called I feel so subscribe here. Now, when did you want? Now to subscribe. Now the notification bell now to serve here. The this over on Sabe. Can young person a china ye the uncommon idea some baby feel best so intimate any community air time so now we stay tuned there. If you are also ye mama, now bombardier say we try recipe no. Nyami add my best. I love you. God bless. Mwah.